Namaskar and a very good morning. Welcome to the audiocast from Kotak Securities. I'm your host and guide Anindya Banerjee. There are two interesting trends in dollar rupee in 2021. जब भी dollar rupee ऊपर गया है, first of all, it has been quite fast, rapid, and second, it couldn't sustain beyond 24 to 48 hours. उसके पीछे कारण ये है कि जो भी global factors took dollar rupee higher, they were not sustainable beyond a day or two. इसके कारण जो शॉर्ट कवरिंग आता था, once the short covering used to get over, the dollar rupee used to come down. That's how has been the trend this year. Now Friday was that risk off move linked to the new variety of COVID which has come from South Africa, which is known as Omicron. And जिसके कारण we saw a big sell-off in the equities, big up move in Euro INR, JPY basically because of carry unwinding, and also an up move in the dollar rupee. The question now is whether we will get a follow-through or it's going to again die a premature death. Now, as of now, in Asia, the risk is now again becoming risk on instead of risk off. Dow futures are higher and Euro INR is expected to open gap down. Yen INR too may see a gap down, and dollar rupee internationally is trading lower, possibly around 20 paisa lower. So iske karan, it looks like that at least we are starting off with a risk on trend. And dollar rupee, the question now is dollar rupee going to retrace back towards 74.5 and 74.30 levels? Because last almost एक डेढ़ महीना से dollar rupee stuck between this 75.20 and 74 levels largely on spot. तो अभी तक तो ये range break नहीं हुआ in spite of the Friday's up move. Now playing dollar rupee, one has to be very careful now. We need to talk about the levels, but whether we will short options, means strangles, or whether we will look to futures to trade trend, that we will decide intraday. First, let me highlight the levels. As of now, based on option positioning and based on the price action, 74.95 is the upper cap on the spot and 74.50 is the support on the spot. So you can add another 20 paisa for the November futures. So you can say around 75.20 levels is a big resistance on the November futures, and possibly around 74.60 is a big support on the November futures as of now. Now the upward momentum because of a gap down may be damaged. So यहाँ पे we have to be very careful, because as I said, the up moves this year has not sustained beyond a day or two. How you can play? One is you can go long if you are seeing the dollar rupee sustain above 75.20. Yes, sustain, not just a flicker, sustain, because it has been seen that जब भी ये एक दो दिन का अप मूव और उसके बाद जो रिवर्सल हुआ है, the high that it makes from on the short covering the previous day, next day it fails to sustain above that और उसके बाद ही selling आता है. इसके लिए if that pattern has to change and if you're going to see a further up move in dollar rupee, then the dollar rupee has to sustain above the Friday's high, so which would be 74.95 on spot and around 75.20 on the futures. अगर उसके ऊपर sustain हो रहा है, it's a change of pattern which we haven't seen this year. Then you can, with a stop, you can go long using futures, or you can even buy out of money call options. But as of now, as long as that high of 75.20 and 74.95 on spot is holding out, then it is advisable that one needs to be cautious and wait and see how things are shaping up globally. Because if the equities globally continue to move higher, then dollar rupee will pull back all the way back towards 74.60 or even 74.50 on the November futures. And we will see a sell-off in Euro INR and JPY as well. Now, Omicron ke upar there are two kinds of opinion. One, whatever opinion is coming from South Africa, which is the ground zero, their experts are saying that it's a mild virus and it should not be a cause of concern. But WHO and ICMR from India, they are yet to give their own verdict because they are waiting for more data to emerge. And it is estimated anywhere between 1 to 2 weeks will be the time period over which more clarity is going to emerge. So which means volatility is going to be high over this week, and trends may change over a very short period of time. So just keep the levels in mind and be flexible and liquid over the day, so to participate whichever way the trend flows. Just to summarize, if the trend is risk on, that is if equity markets continues to rise, and then you will see a sell off in the euro INR, yen INR, and also a mild sell off in the dollar rupee. If the trend becomes again risk off with equities selling off, you will again see a big rally in the euro INR and yen INR with a mild rise in the dollar rupee. So this is the theme to keep in mind, how to play it, because now we have to be flexible in how approaching the market. So that's it, folks. This is Anindya Banerjee signing off. Have a fantastic day ahead.